Hello everybody, welcome to Print Attack. In this video, we'll be going over the steps I took to 3D print my first superhero helmet. We're going over how to scale it to fit my head, and we're going over the tools I used. You will need the following materials. You will need a phone cable, a marker ray pen, and you will need a measuring tape. Step 1, wrap the cable around your head, and where the cables meet, make a mark. Make a mark. And now you use your measuring tape and you measure that. You write the number down because we're gonna be using it in step 2. Open thingiverse.com, which is a website where you can upload and download free 3D printing files. To find the files, look up Budwin. He is a creator in Thingiverse. Under his profile, find the file named head sizing. Download the file that matches the measurements of your head. Step 3. I will be using Bamboo Slicer, the same software I used in my last video. And if you want to watch the video, I'll drop the link in the description. Other slicing softwares like Cura and Prusa have a similar process. Go to the top right, under tools, click cut. Now you have full control over where the cutting will occur. Now upload both of the files, the head sizing and the helmet you want to print out, and compare them. Make the helmet bigger or smaller according to the head. Once you selected the right size, now you can perform the cut. Cut it in pieces, and now you can start printing out your helmet in pieces. And that's how I 3D printed my first superhero helmet. Thank you for tuning in.